A big donation from Roseburg Forest Products to Umpqua Community College. The company giving a truck to the college's truck driving program for students to practice their driving skills. UCC held a ceremony today to commemorate that donation. Roseburg Forest Products hopes that this donation helps the future of the program as interest in trucking picks up at UCC.
So the more opportunities there are for people to achieve a CDL and to get into a rig in a living wage industry, more opportunity there is for everyone.
Now, the college's 4-week truck driving program currently trains 30 to 50 students a year. UCC says 85% of students end up finding a job within the first few months of completing the program. The next set of commercial truck driving training begins on August 14th.